Welcome to another in the series of our Docs Tips videos. Here's where you learn tips on how to be more productive with Worldox. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you a little hidden gem called Task Create. Why would you use Task Create? Well, say you have a deadline to file a document online by 5 p.m. on Friday the 17th of July. Task Create can help. What about a document you have promised to review and return to the client? Task Create can help. Or what about a reminder to submit your timesheet each week? Task Create can help. Task Create lets you create an Outlook task and reminder with a link to the document in Worldox that needs to be found quickly and attended to. Let me show you how it works. The easiest way to get to our file list in Worldox is to double-click the Work Zone icon on the desktop. That brings up our most recent documents. We can click on our favorite matters. We can click on the matter with the brief that we have to file, and we can select the brief that has to be filed from the list. There's three ways to create our Task Create. We can right-click the document. We can choose Task Create. We can come up to the menu bar, click Task Create, or we can add a button to our button bar by right-clicking, go to Pen Button, go Task, and Create. Locate our document, click the Create button, write a little description of what needs to be done, and come over to your calendar and select the 17th, and let's set ourselves a reminder for the 15th, and we'll set that at 1 p.m. We click OK. This now opens a new window with our Task Create information. We just simply need to do Save and Close. And now when we come over into our Outlook, we come to our task list. Here is a task. Here is our link to our Worldox document, and that takes us right back into Worldox, right directly to the document that we have to file. We hope you enjoyed our little tip today on Task Create and hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to jump over to our website and see our other offerings and check out our Worldox Online Training Academy. Thank you.